Greetings all. This is Subramanian Chandramouli, author of 4 sales book and a sales specialist. Do you want to make 2026 the best sales year in your entire career? The answer to this question is yes. Then this video is relevant to you. Friends, I am launching a program called 2026 Sales Excellence Program. This is a 15-month program starting from January 2026 to March 2027. It has 2 phases. Phase 1 is from January 2026 to March 2026 and phase 2 is from April 2026 to March 2027. In phase 1, which is January to March 2026, we are going to have 10 days of sales workshop, out of which 8 days will be a face-to-face sales workshop in the format of 2 day plus 3 day plus 3 day within those 3 months. It will happen in Bangalore, and the 2 days will be an online workshop which is split into 4 half-day workshop that will also happen between Jan to March 2026. So in these 90 days, you will learn all the relevant skills. For example, consultative selling, value-based selling, strategic selling, all these important key concepts you will learn in these 3 months during the workshop. And from April 2026 to March 2027, every month we will have one session of online coaching where I will be reviewing your sales numbers. We would have created a blueprint during the workshop, and as per the blueprint, where is your numbers, how you are achieving your numbers, those things we will review, and you will also get a WhatsApp support during this entire 15 month. I am taking only 16 participants. So if you're an entrepreneur or a senior sales executive, this program is relevant to you. If you're interested to join this program, fill the form by clicking the link below or write a mail to me at subramanian@subu.co or ping me in my WhatsApp or direct message me in LinkedIn. Looking forward to meet you all in this program. Thank you once again. This is Subramanian Chandramouli, author and sales specialist.